NCP-SP leader Ashok Pawar, in his response on the ongoing row over margin loans granted to sugar mills of ruling party MLAs, has said that more than rupees 1,800 crores was granted to them, while the opponents' factories got nothing. He has raised the question as to how do they run the factory under such circumstances and the fact that their party will oppose such biased grants. Let's put things into context for you here. On July 2nd, the National Cooperative Development Corporation (NCDC) had sanctioned a working capital loan of rupees 1,898 crore to Maharashtra government. The funds will be ultimately infused into 13 sugar mills, 5 of which belong to NCP leaders and the rest to BJP leaders. The highest rupees 350 crore has been sanctioned for Kisan Veer Satara Cooperative Sugar Factory Limited Bhuj, Wai Tehsil in Satara district, and the other one, Shri Tatya Sahab Kore Warana Cooperative Sugar Factory Limited Warana Nagar in Parana Tehsil in Kolhapur district. Kisan Veer Satara is related to NCP leader and Tatya Sahab Kore Warana Nagar is related to an MLA associate of BJP. The loan is for 8 years, including a moratorium period of 2 years on repayment of principal amount. However, there is no moratorium on payment of interest. The loan is sanctioned with the guarantee of Maharashtra government. Now, NCP-SP MLA Ashok Pawar expressed his displeasure at Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, saying that people will not forgive you if you do injustice to me because I stayed with Sharad Pawar. He said that it is unfortunate that funds are not being given just because it's in the opposition party. He said that, and I quote, "If you keep changing parties in the name of development and do injustice to me just because I stayed with Sharad Pawar, the people will not forgive you. Though I am the head of a factory, its members are farmers. Made 25 tractor sugarcane is currently lying. Their resentment will not grow against the government. No, if there is such an obstruction, we will protest." NCDC is a statutory corporation of Ministry of Cooperation. Amit Shah has been the Minister of Cooperation since the ministry came into existence in 2021. The loan amount is sanctioned based on floating rate of interest. The ailing sugar mills are unable to raise the working capital, which is mainly spent on maintenance, salaries, pension, dues of sugarcane farmers, etc. Similar loans were sanctioned for ailing mills in Maharashtra before Lok Sabha elections and now before the state legislative assembly elections.
खरं म्हणजे आमचा रावसाहेबदादा पवार प्रौढ विकास सहकारी साखर कारखाना ज्याच्या कार्यक्षेत्रात सुमारे 25 लाख मेट्रिक टन ऊस उभा आहे. एवढा ऊस क्वचित तालुक्यात असू शकतो. शिवाय आमच्या कारखान्यावरती फार मोठं कर्ज नव्हतं. ज्या वेळेला 10 महिन्यापूर्वी मी कर्ज मागत होतो त्यावेळेला खातं एकही NPS नव्हतं. त्यावेळेला काही कारखान्याला NCDCच्या मार्फत आणि राज्य सहकारी बँकेच्या मार्फत महाराष्ट्र सरकारने शिफारस केल्यामुळे कर्ज मिळालं. आम्ही अनेक वेळेला मी विनंती करतोय माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय, दोन्ही उपमुख्यमंत्री महोदय, की शेवटी हा शेतकऱ्याचा कारखाना आहे. तुम्ही अशी अडवणूक करणं चांगलं नाही. आज NCDCने 13 कारखान्याला 1898 म्हणजे सुमारे 1900 कोटी रुपयाचं कर्ज दिला. चांगली गोष्ट आहे. आम्ही त्यांना नावं ठेवणार नाही, कारण तो शेवटी शेतकऱ्यांच्या हिताचा निर्णय असतो. ज्या वेळेला शेतकऱ्याचा हिताचा निर्णय असतो त्याचा फायदा निश्चितपणे तो शेतकरी त्या समाजाला किंवा त्या शासनाला देत असतो. मग अशा वेळेला घोडगेंनी काय पाप केले आम्ही की आम्हाला तुम्ही कर्ज देत नाही. आम्ही विनवण्या करून थकलोय, पत्र देऊन थकलोय, परंतु केवळ मी आदरणीय शरदचंद्रजी पवार साहेब यांच्यासोबत असल्यामुळं हा कारखान्याचा कर्जाचा आमचा विषय अडवला जातोय का असं आज आमच्या मनामध्ये तर निश्चितपणे येत आहे.